Welcome to the data science room. We are here to give you information about the data science major and all things about that. We're joined by Dr. John Yan and Dr. Sharon Huang from the data science department. And Macklin Yaris is our student diplomat who is also a data science student. Sharon, over to you.
All right, great. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the data science room. And today we'll learn about the applied option of the data sciences program. In this current era of big data, you may often hear about how data scientists are analytical experts who use their technical skills to solve complex problems in a variety of domains like business, health, science and engineering, and others. And you may wonder, what is data science? And what does a data scientist do? And how do they use their curiosity and skills to explore what problems to solve and how to solve them? So data science really involves the sets of knowledge and skills needed to discover patterns from authorized data and information. Right now, all businesses, they're thinking about big data, right? Not only the big technology firms like Amazon, Google, and Facebook, but also finance firms, health organizations, and so on. They all deal with massive unstructured data. And in order to get business insights, make discoveries, that's where data scientists enter the scene. And they can develop data science and methods and tools to discover patterns, automate prediction, support human decision-making, policy-making, and so on. Slide. So now, as a college student, you may wonder, what does data science involve, right? And if you want to become a data scientist, how do you prepare yourself? And that's how, what the data science program is here for. We want to help you get the knowledge you need and learn the skills you need so that you're prepared to become an awesome data scientist. And if you can look at the diagram here, and this shows that data science is really part statistics and mathematics, part computational machine learning methods, and then part domain knowledge. So in the College of IST, we offer the applied option of the data sciences program. So in the applied option, it's a perfect blend of these three aspects of data science. So you learn about the statistical and computational foundations, and also we have a sequence of 4 courses that will allow you to explore an application focus, like business, health, physical science, sports analytics, and so on. Slide. Here, for instance, in the graph shown here, you can see that big data is becoming increasingly important in many industries. And you can look at the industries where big data play a major role: telecommunications, advertising, insurance, financial services, healthcare, technology, and so on. Therefore, in these domains, if you're a data scientist who possess the fundamental statistics, mathematical, and computational skills, and also you combine that with domain knowledge in one of these industries, then you'll be perfectly positioned, right, to tackle analytics problems that can boost business avenue and also improve people's quality of life. Slide. So again, our curriculum is carefully designed to prepare you to become a highly qualified and sought-after data scientist. So if you look at this diagram here, it shows the top 20 technology skills needed for a data scientist. And in our curriculum, we offer courses that will teach you or help you learn these knowledge and related knowledge and skills. So for instance, the top technology skills needed: Python, R programming. We have courses like the CompSci, computer science programming sequence, 131 and 132, that will teach Python programming. And then we have the statistics courses, 184 and 380, that will teach you the R programming. And then we have our core data science course, DS220, so that's data management for data science. And that will teach you how to build data models for a business and how to create a database and how to perform queries on them. So for instance, SQL is one of the most widely used languages for database query. So you will learn SQL in DS220, and you will also learn some other database techniques, such as NoSQL techniques that are suitable for big data management, and as well as the architectures like Hadoop and Spark, right? And when you go to a little bit higher up, DS410, so that's our big data programming course. And in DS410, you will learn more about Hadoop, Spark, MapReduce, and also how do you do programming on those platforms so that you can learn to deal with big data. And there's also some other courses. For instance, we have a data visualization course that will teach you about Tableau. And also we have the very important DS310, which is the machine learning course, will teach you the fundamental data science and machine learning techniques that you will need to do data analytics, to do prediction, and so on. Slide. So here in this diagram, this shows you a bird's eye view of the applied data science curriculum. You can see that we have the programming and algorithm core courses. I mentioned some of them, like the comp sci Python programming course. And then we have the math and statistics core courses where you learn about the statistics foundations, R programming, and others. And then, of course, we have a course on data privacy and ethics, a couple courses on that. And our core data science courses, so you can see there's 6 core data science courses. There's an introduction to data science where you will learn some Python programming, as well as Jupyter Notebook and some other environments where you can do your data science assignments. And then I already mentioned data management, machine learning, data integration, data visualization, big data programming. So those are the data science core courses. Of course, we have a capstone project, a sequence of 2 courses for the capstone project. And then on the right hand here, you can see this is the application focused core. And that is unique. So this is the unique piece in the applied data science program offered by the College of IST. So slide. And in that sequence of 4 courses, you will be able to custom make or custom choose application focus, where you can take a sequence 4 courses in that domain. And then you have more breadth and depth of knowledge in that domain. And because it's very important to have domain knowledge so that data scientists can effectively communicate with other stakeholders. Just imagine if you're in a business, in a particular industry, if you want to sit at the big table and if you want to communicate with the stakeholders, it's very important that you understand their language, right? You understand the data in that domain, and you're able to formulate data science problems, and you can identify new opportunities, assess the feasibility of data gathering, develop innovative models for prediction, recommendation, decision-making, and others. So in a word, domain knowledge is very important, and the sequence of 4 application-focused courses will allow you to gain knowledge in a particular domain of interest. Slide. So here, this is gives you a current list of recommended application focus areas. Our faculty in the data science area have worked with faculty members in other departments to develop some of these application focus areas, and these are the recommended ones. And we have talked to the other departments and looked at the feasibility and as well as the importance of some of these focus areas. And you can see there are more informatics related focus areas like cybersecurity and analytics and operation, human-centered design development, and then there are business related focus areas. You can take courses in business fundamentals or economics. There are health-related focus areas like genomics, biobehavioral health, nutrition, and psychology. And also there are focus areas with sustainability as the theme, like food science, meteorology, animal science, building energy, and so on. And we also have physical science like astronomy and nanotechnology. And more recently, we also developed a focus area in sports. So if you're interested in sports analytics, you can choose sports as your application focus area. Slide. So again, once you have chosen application focus area, you want to choose 4 courses. I'm going to show you 2 examples. So this example here is an application focus area in business, right? In business analytics. And you can see a sequence 4 courses. First, you take Econ 102, and that one has no prerequisite. And then you can take BO 301, no prerequisite. And then 2 other courses in marketing, management, organization, and they have Econ 102 as the prerequisite. So then, if you take these set of 4 courses, that will give you pretty, broad exposure to some business concepts and courses. Slide. And this is another example of a DS application focus area in psychology. Again, a sequence 4 courses, and the prerequisites are nicely laid out. And you can talk to our advisors, as well as me and Professor Zhang Yin, and we can give you a complete list of recommended application focus areas, and also the list of possible courses that you can choose from. So we have a document that has the complete list, not the complete, the current list that we have, and also the recommended courses. Slide. And once you have chosen your application focus, we'd like to ask you to fill out a form. So basically, you can also custom make an application focus. You say, okay, I know what I want to do, and I have an application focus that's not on your list. That's okay. Talk to us, and we'll help you develop a custom application focus. And if you have a custom application focus, then it's you're recommended to fill out this form where you tell us what is the theme for your chosen application focus and which 4 courses you plan to take. And once we help you evaluate the feasibility of such a focus areas, you get our signature, and then you're done. Okay. Like you can, yeah. Okay. And finally, I want to just put in a few thoughts about the factors to consider when choosing your application focus area. Of course, passion. Your passion is very important. You want to know what you're passionate about. You want to use data science to solve problems. What kind of problems, right? Problems in which domain or in which industries? And that, if you can answer those questions, that'll help you decide. Help you when you're deciding an application focus area. And there are broad career opportunity in a wide range of industries. And also, if you enjoy math and investigating data-related questions for solving real-world problems, that's great too. Maybe you can choose to select, to take some more math-related courses or statistics or computer science, and that's possible too. So you can make a custom application focus if that's what you want to do. Slide. And finally, if you need suggestions, again, contact us. Definitely will be happy to help you. And also, if you're, let's say, if you're not sure between 2 areas, a good way going forward might be that you can identify a 100, 200 level course. Some of them can satisfy the GenEd requirement, and consider taking 1 or both courses ASAP. And this way, you can get an idea of what the area is like, and whether you're interested in solving problems, right? Big problems in that domain. Right. Okay, so that'll be all. And again, if you have questions, feel free to contact me. My name is Sharon Huang. I'm the program coordinator for data sciences in the College of IST. Professor Zhang Yin, who is the professor in charge of data sciences in the College of IST, and also our wonderful advisors, Christopher, Susan, and others. Okay.
Excellent. Thank you, Dr. Wong. I'm going to put this in the chat for Mitchell, since he's the only one here. From a student perspective, at 7:33, it'll be time to move on to the next areas, and we'll start again at 7:35.
Okay.
Macklin, do you have anything that you would like to add here at the end as a student of the college and of data science?
Yeah, I'll say a couple things. I just know I came into Penn State really having no idea what I wanted to do. And I decided pretty quickly once I got here that I wanted to do data sciences once I heard about the program. First of all, I was really interested that there were 3 different options to choose from. And once I read about the applied data sciences option, I knew it was right for me. Also, I would like to point out, I think that the College of IST, through this major especially, does a great job of getting you skills early on that you can apply. I thought that after my freshman year, I was already pretty solid at programming and working with data sets through Python. And I was able to land an internship after my sophomore year. So I think that the college, no matter what major it is, does a really good job of getting you prepared early on to start working.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.